Decimal the name the same number are called equivalent decimal. Example are 0.6 and 0.60. When you annex or place zeros to the right of the last digit and a decimal, the value of the decimal does not change. Annexing zeros is useful when ordering a group of decimals. Example: order decimals. Order 15.15 14.95 15.8 and 15.101 from list to greatest. Study tip: checking reasonableness. You can check the reasonableness of the order by using a number line. The order from least to greatest is 14.95, 15.01 and 15.8. Skill and concept check. 1. Draw a number line to show the order of 2.5, 2.05, 2.55 and 2.35 from the least to greatest. 2. Open-ended. Write a decimal that is equivalent to 0.4. Then draw a model to show that your answer is correct. 3. Find the error. Mark and Carlos are ordering 0.4, 0.5 and 0.49 from least to greatest. Who is correct? Explain. Use greatest than or less than to compare each pair of decimals. Practice and application. Use greater than or less than to compare each pair of decimal. Order each set of the decimal from least to greatest. Order each set of decimal from greatest to least. 24. Auto racing in 1994. Sterling Marlin drove 156.931 miles per hour to win the Daytona 500. In 2004, Dale Earnhardt Jr. won, driving 156.345 miles per hour. Who was faster? 25. Most library books are placed on shelves so that their call number are ordered from least to greatest. Use the information at the right to find the order the books should be placed on the shelf. 26. Critical thinking. Della has more money than Sarah but less money than Eric. Harley has $10 more than Hector. The amounts are $0.89, $1.70, $1.18, $0.79, and $1.07. How much does each person have? Spiral. Review with standardized test practice. 27. Multiple choice. Which number is between 3.18 and 4.03? 28. Multiple choice. Which of this decimal is less? Write each decimal in standard form. 29. 37,000, 39 and 16,000. 31. Statistic is the most misleading measure of central tendency for the set of data. 21, 20, 19, 13, 21, 18, 12, and 21. Explain. 32. Determine whether 315 is divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 10. Greeting ready for the next lesson. Prerequisite skill in the identify H underlined place value position. Three or 3. Rounding decimal. When am I ever going to ask this? School. The Jackson Middle School lunch menu is shown at the right. 1. Round each cost to the nearest dollar. 2. How did you decide how to round each number? 3. Make a conjecture about how to round each cost to the nearest time. What you will learn. Round decimal. You can round decimal just as round whole number. Example. Round decimal. Round 1.324 to the nearest whole number. On the number line, 1.3 is closer to 1.0 than to 2.0 to the nearest whole number 1.324 round to 1.0. Round 99.96 to the nearest 10. On the number line, 99.96 is closer to 100.0 than to 99.9. The nearest tens, 99.96 round to 100.0. Rounding is often used in real-life problems involving money. Study tip. Rounding the odd 100 cents in a dollar, so rounding to the nearest cent means to the round of the nearest 100. Example. Use rounding to solve a problem. Food. A bag of potato chips costs $0.2572 per ounce. How much is this to the nearest cent? To around the nearest cent, round the nearest hundred place. To the nearest cent, to cost is $0.26 per ounce. Your turn. Round is decimal to the indicated place value position. A. 0.27853 10,000. B. $5.8962 Skill and concept check. 1. Write math. Draw a number line to show why 3.47 rounded to the nearest tens is 3.5. Write a sentence. Explain the number line. 2. Open-ended. Give a explain of a number that when rounded to the nearest hundred is 45.39. 3. Which one does not belong? Identify the decimal that is not the same as the other when rounded off to the nearest, then explain. Guided practice. Round each decimal to the indicated place value position. 4. 0.329 times 5. 1.75 ounce. 6. 45.52 hundredths. 7. 0.5888,000. 8. 7.67597 10,000. 9. 34.59 $10. Since the table shows the rate of acceleration due to the gravity for a few of the planets to the nearest 10, what is the rate of acceleration due to gravity for a planet? Practice and application. Round is decimal to the indicated place value position. (25) Food. The United States, considered the ice cream capital of the world, each person its average is nearly 5.75 gallons per year, around 5.75 gallons of to the nearest gallon. 26. Media. This jockey, often referred to a radio station by rounding, is called number to the nearest whole number. What number would use to refer to radio station whole call number is 102.9. Critical thinking. Write 3 different decimals that round to 10.0 when rounded to the nearest tens. Spiral. Review with standard test practice. 28. Multiple choice. The atomic weight of certain element are given. Stable weight is atomic weight of sodium and nearest 10. 29. Short response round to the nearest 1000. Use greater than, less than, or less than to compare each decimal.